Hi everyone, we got a new product for you. It's come from the WE. It's called SMG8 submachine gun. Looks like the MP7, but look closely, you can see some details. They are totally different. And there are 3 function selector levers: safe, semi, and full auto. And 3 steps or 3 sections retractable stock. And all the upper receivers, the frame, they are totally plastic. Only the pin, they are made of steel. Others, including the retractable stock tube and the flash hider, they are not. But actually, it doesn't matter, because that will become a lighter submachine gun. And each magazine will carry about 40 rounds BB bullet, but the maximum will carry about 42. And once you reload the magazine and it's empty, the bolt will lock to the rear automatically. And it comes with the 10 color. And watch here, the flash hider is a little bit different because they offer an adapter for you to mount it. Then you can tighten your silencer on your SMG8 without any problem. Okay, now we would like to test the FPS. We use the .2 BB and green gas. And switch to the semi-fire. It's about 380. Maybe it's between 380 and 390. And now we refill the .2 BB bullet and the green gas and test the full auto mode. Lock to the rear automatically, and the magazine is empty. And now we want to test the KWA MP7. All the BB bullet and the propanes are identical with the SMG8 .2 BB and green gas. We test the FPS with 3 rounds. And it's about 330 to 40. And the same, I would like to fire this MP7 from the KWA with the full auto mode. Still use the .2 BB and green gas. The magazine is empty. It still goes very smooth. And now we test the WE SMG8 recoil. We use the .2 BB and green gas. And we want to fire. Before that, we've got to make sure the device is zeroed. And the first round, it's about 1.4. And the second round, it's about 1.4. Wait a minute. About 1.35. And the last round, it's about 1.25. And we will calculate the average. It's about 1.33. And now we want to test the KWA MP7 recoil. We use the .2 BB and green gas and zeroing the device first and fire the first round. It's about 0.85. And the next round, it's about 0.8. And the last round, It's about 0.7. And then we calculate the average. It's about 0.78. And by the way, I would like to tell you how to adjust the hop up. There are two holes in front of the gas tube, right? And there's a small hole upper the outer barrel. That hole is used to adjust the hop up. Insert a hex screw and tighten or loosen it, so you can adjust the hop up without any problem. I know some players also wonder to know one thing, the size. And we put the SMG8 and the KWA MP7 together and show you the difference. You can see the G8 is obviously bigger than the MP7, and we have a ruler, so I can tell you the SMG8 will be about 42 centimeters, and the KWA will be about 38.5 to 39 centimeters. And once I extended the retractable stock, you can see the SMG8 will reach about 64, about 65, maybe 64 centimeters, and the KWA MP7 will reach about 59.5 centimeters. And we would like to do another test. Now that they are all called the MP7 or similar like the MP7, will be the magazine exchangeable and still able to fire? Okay, these 40 rounds is come from the KWA, and we would like to put it inside this WE SMG8. It can put inside, but I don't think you can fire it because it can catch this magazine. But we still want to fire it, if you want to know. Semi-fire. And sorry, it can't. And as for this KWA MP7 and loaded with the SMG8 machine gun magazine, it can put inside because it's too large. So the size does matter, and they didn't fit with each other. And this is our test today, and I would like to show you the result. And you can choose which one you like. And of course, you know, the CTC is very important, and we will test it for you some days. So subscribe our channel and keep watching. We will let you know. Goodbye.